How's it going, everybody? It's cold, it's windy, we had tornadoes and stuff in the area yesterday, so we can't go outside and do anything. So what do we do? Glad you asked. Let's get to it and I'll tell you. Like I said, we had bad weather and it's only getting colder. It's like 50 something now and it's supposed to get down to 20 something tonight, and temps dropping steadily as the day goes through. So it's too cold, too wet to be outside doing anything. I'm gonna run some errands, and one of those errands happens to be the purpose of this video. The 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Yep, today is shipping day. So let's get it ready to go. Got it all backed up. Let's go to the post office. Yes. Windy.